Today we are installing a sheet of saveBOARD exposed black internal lining on an existing wall. First, measure the location of the penetrations in the sheet. Cut them out using a multi-tool or similar. Add construction adhesive to the wall at approximately 200 mm centers. Carry the sheet vertically, so it isn't damaged during installation. Lift in the sheet in position, making sure it fits correctly. Secure the sheet in position using a finishing gun, screws or braid nails. Make sure the heads of the screws or nails are finished flush with the surface. Finish any gaps with a color sealant. Job finished.